Forget expensive probiotic supplements. They're not fixing what's really broken. There are 3 powerful gut foods hiding in your kitchen right now. Foods that can restore your dying microbiome from the inside out while you rest. I'm Dr. David R. Collins from Gut Health Seniors. And if you're waking up with stomach cramps, dealing with bloating that makes your pants feel 2 sizes too small, or spending half your morning trapped in the bathroom, you're not alone. The truth is, your gut isn't dying by accident. It's being starved. Starved of the living bacteria it desperately needs to function. And by the time most seniors realize what's happening, they're already living with constant gas, burning acid reflux after every meal, and a digestive system that feels like it's shutting down piece by piece. Here's what makes it worse. Most people chase the symptom, not the source. They swallow antacids. They pop fiber pills. Or they just accept it as normal aging. But listen to me. Your microbiome doesn't just fade away. It collapses. Collapses under years of antibiotics, processed foods, chronic stress, and inflammation you can't even see. According to a recent Mayo Clinic gastroenterology study, over 70% of adults past 60 suffer from gut dysbiosis, a dangerous bacterial imbalance that slowly destroys your digestion from within. And unless you feed your gut the right living strains, especially Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Bifidobacterium longum, and powerful fermented cultures, your microbiome simply can't rebuild itself the way it used to. That's exactly why I'm revealing 3 probiotic-packed foods proven in clinical trials to restore gut balance, heal intestinal damage, and calm chronic inflammation, all while your body rests at night. These aren't rare. They're not pricey. You might already own them. But I guarantee you're not using them correctly or at the right time of day. And the third one? It's a silent healer that not only multiplies good bacteria, but also soothes the acid burn that keeps you awake at 3 a.m. If you've been fighting bloating, reflux, or irregular bowels for over a year, drop a comment right now and tell me your biggest gut struggle. I read every single one. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, simple system to help your gut repair itself, regain strength, and feel comfortable again, starting tonight. And what I'm about to show you in the next few moments could completely change how you heal your digestion forever. Let's start with something ancient, creamy, and surprisingly powerful. Yogurt. Wait. Not just any yogurt. I'm talking about Greek yogurt. The thick, protein-rich kind that most people eat for breakfast without realizing it's one of the most potent gut repair weapons available to seniors. Most folks think yogurt is just yogurt. But to your failing microbiome, it's a living rescue team. What makes Greek yogurt different isn't the texture. It's what's alive inside it. Billions of active cultures, especially Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium lactis, 2 bacterial strains your aging gut can barely produce anymore. Your intestinal lining, the thin, delicate wall separating your bloodstream from waste, it's supposed to stay sealed tight. It keeps toxins trapped, nutrients flowing, and inflammation locked out. But over the years, it weakens, gets damaged, starts to crack. By what? Stress hormones. Antibiotics you took a decade ago. Processed meals that feed bad bacteria instead of good ones. The result? Leaky gut syndrome. Constant bloating. Acid that climbs your throat every single night. Now here's the thing. Your body lost the ability to manufacture enough probiotics on its own. You have to eat them. And Greek yogurt? It's one of the richest, most digestible sources, especially when eaten at night before sleep. Let me tell you why timing matters here. Greek yogurt delivers living bacteria that colonize your intestinal walls overnight. They act like bodyguards, crowding out dangerous invaders like Clostridium difficile and Candida albicans before they can wreak havoc on your gut lining. But it goes even deeper than that. According to a 2020 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who consumed Greek yogurt daily for 6 weeks saw their beneficial bifidobacterium levels increase by 290%, and their inflammatory markers tied to IBS and acid reflux dropped by nearly 38%. Another clinical trial from the Journal of Digestive Diseases in 2021 found that probiotic-rich dairy significantly improved gut motility, reduced gas buildup, and strengthened the mucosal barrier. All critical for older adults whose digestion has slowed to a crawl. In simple terms, Greek yogurt helps replace the bacteria your gut loses with every passing year, giving your stomach more protection, better balance, and real recovery power, even while you're asleep. And this isn't just theory. A woman named Patricia, she's 71, told me she used to wake up every single morning feeling like her stomach was filled with air. Tight, swollen, miserable. But after eating just half a cup of plain Greek yogurt every night for 4 weeks, she said, it's like someone flipped a switch. The bloating just stopped. I didn't think food could do that. If you're still watching, comment your age below and tell me, Does your stomach feel worse in the mornings? Here's exactly how to use Greek yogurt the right way. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, not the flavored versions packed with sugar that feed bad bacteria. Scoop about half a cup into a bowl. Eat it 1 to 2 hours before bed, not right before lying down, so your body has time to start the healing process. If dairy upsets your stomach, try coconut-based or almond-based probiotic yogurt. They work almost as well. The secret here isn't eating massive amounts. It's eating it consistently. Your microbiome doesn't rebuild overnight, but when you feed it correctly, night after night, it does. Greek yogurt is your first defender. And in just a moment, I'll introduce you to a fermented vegetable that doesn't just protect your gut. It actively fights the inflammation, destroying it from within. If Greek yogurt is your gut's protective army, then sauerkraut is its inflammation assassin. Most people look at sauerkraut and see nothing more than a sour topping for hot dogs. But for your aging digestive system, especially if you're suffering from acid reflux, trapped gas, or that heavy brick feeling after meals, it's a rescue tool. What makes sauerkraut so different is its exceptionally high concentration of Lactobacillus brevis, plus something Greek yogurt can't deliver in large amounts: natural digestive enzymes. And that's where everything changes. See, probiotics colonize your gut and push out harmful bacteria, but digestive enzymes actually break down your food faster, stop fermentation in your stomach, and prevent the gas pressure that triggers bloating and reflux. As you age, your stomach produces less hydrochloric acid, less pepsin, fewer enzymes altogether. This means food digests slower, sits longer, and starts rotting inside your intestines instead of being absorbed. Sound familiar? Sauerkraut is critical for restoring enzyme activity, especially in your small intestine, where 90% of nutrient absorption happens. Without enough enzymes, undigested food particles create toxic waste, overfeed harmful bacteria, and trigger the chronic inflammation that burns your esophagus at night. In a 2019 study published in the Journal of Functional Foods, researchers from Stanford University tracked over 600 adults aged 55 to 80 and discovered that regular sauerkraut consumption reduced acid reflux episodes by 47% and improved bowel regularity within just 5 weeks. But there's more. Another study in gut microbes in 2021 showed that fermented cabbage contains up to 15 times the live probiotic count of standard yogurt. And because it's naturally acidic, the bacteria survive longer in your digestive tract. Think of sauerkraut as a triple threat weapon. It lowers pH in your gut the right way, it multiplies beneficial bacteria, and it directly calms the inflammation causing GERD, IBS, and chronic discomfort. Let me share a real story with you. Charles, a 69-year-old former engineer, used to keep a bottle of antacids on his nightstand, right next to his bed. He'd wake up choking on acid 2, sometimes 3 times a week. After adding just 3 forkfuls of raw sauerkraut to his evening meal for 6 weeks, he told me, "The burning just disappeared. I don't even think about it anymore. My stomach finally feels normal again." If this information is helping you, do me a quick favor and tap that like button. It helps other seniors find this video. Here's how to use sauerkraut properly. Buy raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut from the refrigerated section of your grocery store, not the canned kind sitting on shelves. Heat kills probiotics dead. Add 2 to 4 forkfuls directly onto your dinner plate. Pair it with grilled chicken, turkey, or baked fish. For maximum absorption, eat it at the very start of your meal, not at the end. This lets the enzymes mix with your food immediately and start breaking it down. And if you're worried about the sour, tangy flavor, start small. Your taste buds adapt fast. Your gut will adapt even faster. Now, we've covered how Greek yogurt builds your bacterial defense, and sauerkraut destroys inflammation and acid. But the third probiotic food I'm about to reveal has a softer, slower, more sustained healing effect, especially powerful for seniors dealing with chronic constipation or early signs of intestinal permeability. It's warm, it's soothing, and most people completely overlook it, but your gut will crave it. And what this final food does while you sleep might be the missing piece your digestion has been begging for. It's soft, it's warming, and it's one of the most underestimated foods for aging digestive systems. I'm talking about kimchi, the spicy, fermented powerhouse that works slowly, deeply, and especially well while you sleep. Unlike Greek yogurt or sauerkraut, kimchi doesn't rely on just one superstar bacteria. Instead, it delivers a balanced ecosystem that makes it perfect for seniors whose guts are already damaged, inflamed, or showing signs of severe bacterial imbalance. Let me break down what's really inside. First, kimchi is loaded with Lactobacillus kimchii and Laconostoc mesenteroids, 2 unique probiotic strains that thrive in fermented vegetables and produce natural antimicrobial compounds your aging stomach desperately needs. As we get older, our pancreatic enzyme output drops by nearly 40%. That's why foods that deliver digestive support in a gentle, bioavailable form become absolutely essential. These live cultures play a direct role in easing constipation, reducing bloating, and healing the gut inflammation that keeps you uncomfortable from morning to night. Without them, food sits undigested in your colon, ferments, creates pressure, creates pain. That's why so many seniors say, "I eat normally during the day, but by evening my stomach feels like a bomb ready to explode." A 2021 study published in Food Science and Biotechnology showed that people who consumed fermented vegetables like kimchi regularly had significantly lower rates of chronic constipation and improved gut motility, particularly in adults over age 65. But kimchi goes way beyond probiotics. It also delivers capsaicin to stimulate healthy gastric secretions, fiber to sweep waste through your intestines, and powerful antioxidants to reduce oxidative stress that damages your gut lining from the inside out. This combination works together slowly but steadily to ease trapped gas, support overnight intestinal repair, and give your stomach the restorative window it needs during sleep. I often recommend kimchi to patients who struggle with stronger fermented foods or who have sensitive stomachs that can't tolerate high acidity. It's warming, flavorful, and comforting, just like the healing it provides. Let me tell you about Donald. He's 72, and for years he complained that his bowels barely moved, sometimes going 4 or 5 days without any relief. Fiber powders didn't help. Stool softeners made him feel worse. But after adding just a small side of mild kimchi to his dinner 4 nights a week, the cramping eased. He said, "It's like my gut remembered how to work again. I don't strain anymore. I don't panic. I just go." If you've been battling constipation for years and nothing seems to help, comment below right now. You're not alone in this, and there is real hope. Here's how to get the full benefit from kimchi. Choose fresh, refrigerated kimchi from the cold section, not jarred or conversions that have been heat-treated. Heat destroys the living bacteria. Start with a small portion, about 2 to 3 tablespoons alongside your dinner. If the spice is too intense, rinse it gently under cold water first. Pair it with lean protein like grilled salmon or chicken breast. Eat it 2 to 3 hours before bed, so your digestive system has time to absorb those probiotics and send them where they're needed most: your intestines. And here's a tip most people miss. Don't cook kimchi into hot dishes. Add it cold or at room temperature to preserve the live cultures. The key isn't eating large amounts. It's giving your gut consistent, living nourishment night after night. In just a moment, I'll show you how to weave these 3 probiotic foods into a simple weekly routine that fits your life without turning your kitchen into a health food lab or spending a fortune on supplements. But first, remember this. The most powerful healing doesn't come from a pharmacy. It comes from foods your gut has been waiting for. Now that you understand the healing power behind these 3 probiotic foods, the next question is obvious. How do you actually use them in a way that truly rebuilds your gut night after night? Here's what I tell every patient who walks into my office. You don't need to obsess over every detail. You don't need to weigh portions, track bacterial strains, or count colony-forming units like you're running a laboratory. What you need is simplicity, a quiet pattern, something that works with your body's natural repair rhythm during sleep. Start by choosing 2 evenings a week where you eat Greek yogurt after dinner. Scoop half a cup into a bowl. Eat it slowly about an hour and a half before bed. Keep it plain, or add a tiny drizzle of raw honey if the tartness bothers you at first. Let those living cultures settle deep into your gut while you rest. On 2 different nights, add raw sauerkraut to your main meal, ideally right at the start of dinner. Put 3 or 4 forkfuls on your plate. Pair it with baked chicken, grilled turkey, or steamed vegetables. The enzymes and probiotics absorb best when eaten before everything else, so don't skip that timing. And at least 3 evenings per week, enjoy a small serving of kimchi alongside your dinner. Let it be one of the last savory things you taste before your kitchen closes for the night. Its gentle probiotics and anti-inflammatory compounds will soothe your gut from deep within, giving your intestinal walls the overnight rest they need to rebuild. What matters most isn't perfection. It's consistency. Your gut is patient. It doesn't respond to one magical meal. It responds to patterns. And when you give it a steady pattern of living bacteria, digestive enzymes, and anti-inflammatory support, it starts doing what it was always designed to do: digest food properly again. One of my viewers, Steven, he's 64, told me that after following this routine for just 4 weeks, he stopped waking up with acid in his throat. He said, "I didn't even realize how damaged my stomach was until it wasn't anymore." That's how natural healing works. It doesn't hit you like a sledgehammer. It sneaks in like sunrise. If your schedule feels overwhelming, don't complicate it. Pick up Greek yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi during your weekly grocery trip. Keep them in your fridge. They last for weeks. Prep small portions ahead of time if it helps. Replace processed snacks with a spoonful of sauerkraut or a few bites of kimchi. Feed your microbiome, not just your cravings. And drink a full glass of water an hour before bed to help circulate those probiotics and enzymes through your digestive tract. It's a small habit, but it compounds. Look, you're not chasing overnight miracles here. You're building strength quietly in the background. So that one morning, you wake up and realize, without even thinking about it, that your bloating disappeared, your stomach doesn't burn, and you didn't need antacids, laxatives, or emergency trips to make it happen. Tonight, you can start. Not with a prescription, not with surgery, but with food. Food that speaks the healing language your gut has always understood. In just a moment, I'll leave you with one final thought. A reminder that no matter your age, it's not too late for your stomach to heal. If you stayed with me this far, I need to tell you something from the heart. Thank you, not just for watching, but for believing. For believing that your health, your gut, your future still deserve attention. Too many people your age have been told to just accept it. That bloating is part of getting older. That acid reflux is just how life is now. That once your digestion starts breaking down, there's no way to bring it back. But that's a lie. The healing capacity inside your gut isn't gone. It's just sleeping. Sleeping, waiting for the right bacteria, waiting for balance, nourishment, and consistency, waiting for you to trust in the quiet strength of your own body again. And here's what's so beautiful about this. You didn't need expensive prescriptions. You didn't need to spend thousands on specialty supplements or tests. You needed Greek yogurt. You needed sauerkraut. You needed kimchi. You needed foods that speak your gut's original language. Because when you feed your microbiome the right way, you're not just fixing digestion. You're reclaiming your quality of life. The freedom to eat dinner without fear. The peace of sleeping through the night without choking on acid. The confidence to go anywhere without worrying where the nearest restroom is. Those aren't small things. They're everything. And yes, it takes effort, consistency, patience, but it's effort worth giving. Because every bite you take, every choice you make, is proof that you haven't given up on yourself. So let this be your reminder. It's not too late. Your gut still remembers how to heal. And with every good decision you make, it will. If this video gave you clarity, hope, or even just a tiny sense of control again, I'd be so grateful if you'd hit that like button and share this with someone who needs it. Drop a comment below about your own gut health journey. It might be exactly what another senior needs to hear today. And if this is your first time here on the Gut Health Seniors channel, I'd be honored to have you join us. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video on healing your digestion naturally. Until next time, this is Dr. David R. Collins. Take care of your gut, because it still has so much life left to give. Your gut isn't broken. It's just starving for bacteria.